Hi, I'm Dr. NGYN, and I have a clinic in Portland, Oregon, and I'm going to talk about hormone replacement therapy. Do you ever find yourself doing this at work, where you're just hot for no reason and you feel a hot lava tube rising in your chest, or you wake up at night and the sheets are wet, or your face gets red and you're in the middle of a meeting and you don't know what to do? A lot of these are symptoms of menopause. Hormones can affect women, particularly in the perimenopause, which is the time period before your periods stop, to menopause, which is that time period a year after your periods have been gone, and it's declining hormones because your ovaries have stopped working. There are solutions. Even though all women don't have symptoms, 25% of women have zero symptoms, but 75% of women are dealing with one of 34 symptoms of menopause. They don't even know whether or not it's related to hormones. Many women outgrow these symptoms, but some women have them for a lifetime. As part of your evaluation at our clinic, we'll decide what is the best treatment for you based on your family history. There are simple solutions. There are more in-depth hormonal interventions we can do to make you feel better, but you don't have to suffer at work or at home or with your families. You can get some help. There are solutions to your hormone problems. Give us a call at 503-908-1646.